Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is January 23rd and day 102 for our herb garden. And this will be the last update on this garden because as you can see, we've been doing wonderful. I've been enjoying my herbs, cooking some delicious meals. Look at the purple baby, y'all. Hazel. So, yeah, it started turning into I think it's about to turn into something, but what do you call that? Dried up seeds, but look how it was starting to. And I had to cut a lot of this down. We're gonna say bye to our savory. I'm gonna look at this and see which one this was again. Yeah, I meant, Lord, it was getting crazy. This is our time. I'm gonna pluck off the rest of the brown leaves. And our time died. See, I was slacking off, cutting, okay. And our sisu is growing crazily, okay. Is our sisu growing so crazy. I cut a lot of that off, as you can see. Now I'm gonna get back to our lemon balm. Lemon balm is out of control. This is what is all up here. So let me finish pruning, harvesting and pruning these, and that's it. So I'm gonna pull this, I'm gonna pull the rosemary, start some more rosemary somewhere else, and yeah guys, this is what's going on. Our herb garden been giving, and I'm thankful for it, so I'm not mad at it, okay? Yeah guys, so this is it. I pruned and harvest a lot of the herbs. So this is the end of my journey for the herb garden. Catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.